setup is stupid. Look at all these pipes, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right?
I left my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro.
Missed this. Sinking up the whole wall, bro. The whole wall. I wonder what that is. Hey, bet. JoJo Car is back with another video, man. And you guys read the title, you guys read the thumbnail. We got both of these whips right here. Q50 and a G37. You guys hear that thing rumbling? Before we start this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and follow the gram Vandalize G. Make sure you guys do all that. If you guys fuck with the build, do not skip those ads and do everything that we do. We do have this red sport today. 3.0 T. Oh my gosh, this thing is so clean. Shout out my boy. I'm gonna put his Instagram up here. My boy Damien. Cool dude. I'm about to put his Instagram up here for you. Make sure you guys mess with him and follow him for helping me. Anybody who helps me helps you guys get more videos like this. We're gonna start the comparison in a second. Just stay in tune. All right, we're gonna start with the G37 first. Ooh, you guys see the lights, all that. But we're gonna start with the interior of my whip. So basically with the interior, this is the S model. With the interior, you get the S seats, you know, you get all that, and you get the paddle. I mean, you get the pedals. I didn't want to forget this because in the last video I low-key forgot about this. You get everything right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you get everything right here. You guys see my hand sanitizer because it is COVID. You get the paddle shifters, and you see all my codes. But there's like nothing crazy to it. Nothing crazy to it, so. You guys see the paddles and all that. So this is the S model actually. So you guys get all the S sport package stuff. Obviously the sport seats, you know, you get the regular shifter and all that. You guys see I have all that stuff. Look at this space. Now we're gonna take it to the back. Let me pop this trunk for you guys so I can go to the front in a second. Then you go to the back. You guys see, like, literally I got a shoe back here, but and my car is dirty as hell. But you guys go to the back and you guys see this decent amount of space. Let's go to the trunk. Of course, I can't open my trunk. Yeah, I don't have my key in my pocket either. This is great. This is great. Yeah, embarrassing myself. Let's get it. Embarrassing myself, man. I like doing that. So, trunk space. My trunk's pretty clean because I just got my car back. But trunk space is also pretty decent on this, and we'll see how similar they are to the Q50. But let's head on to the front. You guys see the body style of this G37 body style, super decent. And onto the front. So I do have the intakes. Sorry, my engine bay is pretty dirty right now. It's pretty dusty. I just got it back, so I haven't had time to really clean it, but I do have the intake set up. It's a 3.7 liter, and there's nothing really left to this. You know what I mean? I know the red sport is gonna demolish this thing, but I just wanted to do a comparison with you guys. I thought it would be really dope, and I got to meet my boy. So yeah, that's the end of the G37. Now to go with the Q50. This thing is nice. I actually almost got a Q50 instead of getting a G37. But this is obviously the 3.0T. You guys see that? I gotta get that and show that because it is definitely a 3.0T. This is not a regular Q50. Do got the keys. Go in this mug. I'm hella geeked. All right. Now with 50, this is low-key a different setup. You know, you got the seats. All right. This is one thing I hate about the Q50 seats. All right. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had an Infiniti symbol on the back of the seat, and this one does not have a Infiniti symbol back there. But it's all good. Now the steering wheel is different with the Q50, and then the center console is a little bit different. You get all this extra stuff right here, and then you get the double screens actually. So that's actually pretty dope. No paddles though, sadly, but it's all cool. You guys see? The space is pretty much the same as the G37. It's like literally not that bad. And these are like really, honestly, two similar cars if you're getting a regular G37. But the engine is where it's a bit different. I'm gonna pop that and go to the back, obviously. So now go to the back seat. Now with the back seat, it looks basically the same. Same car, same company, so it all basically looks all the same. And now let's head to the trunk. Let me not embarrass myself on how to open this. Alright, bet. So with the trunk, what I'm gonna say, basically the same type of setup. Look at this. Same type of space, same everything, but it's just everything, you know, just looks a little bit different, you know what I mean? So that is the whole thing on the Q50, and let's head to the front now. This thing is super clean. Super clean. He says just because it's stock it's not clean, but dude, this thing is super clean. I'll take this over my car any day with the paint job. Alright, let's get it. So like I said, this is the 3.0T. So you got the V6 with the twin turbo. This thing is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I put all the specs right there. So I don't know how much horsepower this is running, but I'll probably put it in the specs while this video is going. That's really nothing left, but that is definitely the comparison on these two vehicles. I already know I'm gonna get smoked, but we might do a couple runs. So I just say stay in tune to everything that's going on. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and follow his Instagram. I'll put it up there one more time. This comparison is dope. We'll be right back. Stock rev. He literally just took off his muffler delete. So that sounds clean. back at the garage. My car is shining because that ceramic coat sent by Hydrosilics. You guys see this? Like, and then I'm about to help my boy out with some Maguires. We also got that, but it's something I bought. But you guys see how shiny this car is right now? Damn. So we're about to work on his car too. I'm gonna just wax it, see how much of a difference, because he said he hasn't waxed it since he got it. Hook him up. I'm gonna show y'all the difference between that. So y'all getting more than a comparison video right now. Y'all getting the all the ins and outs. We'll be back, y'all.
Yo, if you go inside the car and you can look under, look how fucked up they are.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it.
Dirty for sure.
Can you see it in the? Oh, you can. You guys see that? Focus. Yeah, you could kind of see. You see all the source marks, right? Look at that difference. Looks way better though.
Well, it wasn't as photo.
It was definitely just blurry. That's crazy.
That's your like.
Look at the shine on that mug. Damn. Dude, this is literally maybe like 10 minutes worth of work. Shine is way different. It's crazy. Man, make sure y'all wax your cars. Whatever it takes, whatever it takes. Right. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys fucked with the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to JoJo Cars while you are here. Make sure you guys fuck with the stickers. You guys see them stickers? Make sure y'all fuck with them. Hit me up for a sticker. Y'all, do y'all see that? Hold on. Oh, come back. You see, is it changing colors? Is it? All right, let me stop playing. Anyways, and then you come here, boom. Subscribe to JoJo Cars. Do all that. Y'all see the minions. I have to just show that. And shout out my boy one more time, Damien, for hooking me up. Oh, he back there. Yeah. Shout him out for hooking me up. You see how I clean this stuff and got him with the license plate. Oh my gosh, this thing looks shiny as hell. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Do all that. Nothing left to say. JoJo out.